This is a law enforcement warning. Residents are advised to lock all doors and windows. An unknown creature has been spotted roaming around the city, breaking into people's houses and most likely killing them. As of right now, the death toll is 23. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation. Civil danger warning. This is a message to everyone in the state of New York. Please listen to these instructions. We apologize for the interruption, but this is a national emergency. The unknown creature has been spotted across the United States, running at insane speed, and killing anyone that views its face. A report shows the creature running from Washington to Mexico City, Mexico. Whatever you do, do not look at the creature's face. If you look at it, you're done. Do not attempt to kill the creature. This creature is shown to be immune to all kinds of weapons. All residents across the United States are advised to go to an underground shelter. The US government is now trying to think of a solution to stop the creature. Right now the creature is in Texas, but it is running out of the state at an insane speed. It seems that it is heading towards the northeastern United States. The death toll so far has been reported to be 108,000, and it's suspected to increase every second. The following countries that have at least one report of the creature: United States, Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, Cuba, Bahamas, and Jamaica.